how to change country in Taobao. So what you want to do is just open up the Taobao app and sign into your account. So once you have been signed into your account, you will click on, okay, just going to close this. Okay, so once you have been signed in, you want to click on this icon here in the bottom right, and it's going to take you to your profile. Next, you want to go and click on the gear icon right here in the top right, and then choose this option. Once we click on that option, it's going to take us to this page, and here the first field is going to be the country. So click on country and choose the different countries. You can translate them, or what you can do is just click on a country, look at the currency that it changes to. So this is Singaporean dollar, so that's going to be Singapore, and you can then click on the orange button to change your country. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.